Good day guys, and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to post on Instagram story without anyone seeing. Okay, so guys, if I proceed on this video, I'll be sure if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaboration by the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So now, first and foremost, you need to head over to your Instagram, then enter your Instagram. So now your Instagram, now you need to tap on this your profile icon. Okay, so just at the bottom right of your screen, tap on it. I'm sorry guys, just tap on your art story, how you do art story on Instagram. Okay, so just tap on this plus button. Okay, so now tap on story. Okay, so guys, before adding the image or the text or whatsoever you want to input on your story, head over. You see the cycle settings button at the top right hand of your screen. Tap on it. So after tapping on it, now you need to tap on this on the now you need to tap on story. Okay, story, tap on story. Then now you need to this section says hide story from, so just tap on this tap on hide story. That's 0 people. Tap on it. So now you see your friends. Okay, if you want to hide your Instagram from everyone, just select them, select them. Okay, after you have selected them, okay, you can select everyone on your Instagram. Okay, so as you want to hide it from everyone, select everyone. After selecting everyone, so now just after selecting them, just now then tap on done. Then after tapping on done, tap on done again. Now select your Instagram image, text or whatsoever. Now upload it. Okay, so guys, after you have hidden all of them, nobody will be able to see your Instagram story, only you'll be able to see your Instagram story. Okay, so guys, that's how to hide Instagram story without anyone seeing. That's how to post Instagram story without anyone seeing. Okay, so guys, before I conclude, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations by the description of this video. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.